Hello, welcome, namaste. My name is Ali, and in this video I am sharing about an upcoming workshop with myself live on Zoom in the School of Living Yoga online studio. So this will be a 3-part workshop, and we'll be diving into some of the wisdom of Ayurveda. Now, coming up this next season, we are heading into Vata season in the Northern Hemisphere. And so in this workshop, I'm going to be sharing a little bit more about what is Vata dosha, what is Vata season, and what are some of the lifestyle choices and practices, recipes, and different sort of medicinal herbs and oils that we can use to support our bodies and to support our minds during Vata season. So what are some of the symptoms of elevated Vata? Well, there are many, but some of the most common ones that I see are anxiety, maybe even leading in towards feelings of panic or panic attacks, also insomnia, feelings of instability or ungroundedness, or just feeling sort of all over the place. That can lead to feelings of overwhelm. There are a lot of Vata symptoms in these sort of mental realms, but also it can look like feeling cold, and it can lead to physical symptoms as well. And so we'll dive into some of the Ayurvedic knowledge and what is some of that information, some of that wisdom, and also some of practices. We'll even be bringing some items to a couple of the workshops to do some practices together and that type of thing. So bringing some sweet almond oil or sesame oil will be required for one of the workshops, or just any oils that you have in your house. For those of you who are interested in essential oils, we'll even be able to make a little bit of a blend that's really helpful for pacifying Vata and bringing more of a sense of grounding the nervous system, feeling more rooted and grounded in the central nervous system, more calm, collected. And I'm just really excited to share this with you. So the online studio is where I will be hosting this. I will share a little bit more about that here. Not only will you have access this month to this Vata season workshop with me, but we also have a library of past workshops, including this 4-week beginner's workshop for Yoga Nidra, which you can watch on demand at your own pace if you like. There will also be lots of other live practices with myself and also our other faculty at the School of Living Yoga, Kristen Rose, Tina Kivinen, Laura Dunford, and we have over 10 live classes per week within our online studio. But you also will gain access this month to not only our replay library, which includes all of these dozens and dozens of yoga practices, yoga nidra practices, restorative yoga practices, gentle yoga and yoga nidra, meditation practices, so many beautiful classes on demand for you to watch through and practice at your own pace. But also you'll get access to a greater community of yoga teachers and practitioners as well, where you can check in, where there's over 30 classes per month with incredible senior Kapalu trained teachers like Michelle Dalbeck and Liza Bertini and Brian Henderson, Chris Holmes, Christine Bissonnette, just so many incredible yoga teachers that you have access to on this platform. So if you're excited to check it out, we do have a 1-week free trial. The membership is $59 per month, and you gain access not only to my workshop, but everything else that I mentioned for the month. And you can also choose to stay on for other months and continue on, or you can Also cancel your membership at the end of the month, but know that we have lots of amazing things coming, and we are so excited about all of the beautiful classes and workshops. We also have moon circles every full moon and new moon. We have moon-themed restorative yoga classes every quarter, so the waxing moon, full moon, the waning moon, and the new moon each and every month. And there's just lots of really incredible things to explore, not to mention our beautiful community of humans. We have hundreds of incredible humans on the platform who are practicing together, learning together, and it's just really nice to practice live with each other on Zoom each and every week. So this workshop will be taking place on Saturdays, starting on October 14th, Saturdays at 10 a.m. for 3 weeks. And I hope that you can join me. If you have any questions, you can post them below. But I'm really excited. I'm excited to dive into another workshop with some amazing humans together and learn and support one another and support our own nervous systems through the ancient wisdom of Ayurveda. Okay, well, thank you for joining me in this video. I hope that you check it out and maybe join us in this month's workshop. And hopefully I'll see you soon in a practice here on YouTube.